Is your washing machine making weird noises? It can be concerning when your washing machine begins to make weird noises when running. Some of these noises can lead to serious damages, so it is important to know which noises to ignore and which noises to take seriously. A trapped coin. Your washing machine can be loud when a coin gets trapped in there and can cause serious damage to your machine. Try draining your machine and tipping it back and forth to release the trapped coin. We're hoping it falls into the tub so you can pick it out. A clogged pump. If you hear weird noises when the machine begins to drain, it could be due to stuck buttons or hair grips, so make sure to check your pump. Rumbling loud spin. If your washer gets loud during the spin cycle, it could be due to drum bearing failure. You can test the drum by spinning it by hand. If it's noisy, it will likely need replacing. Another culprit is the spider behind the drum. The spider may have broken away or has become corroded. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Appliance Helpers channel for more videos.